Good morning student, welcome back here. I hope all are well. Now myself Nidhi Lal, today we going to discuss chapter number 2 and new kings and kingdoms. And this lecture number is 4. Now start. Prestige and land grants. Student, prestige. Prestige means are special kind of inscriptions and is a Sanskrit word which means is praise for. In praise for. Prestige are glowing praises of kings and rulers. Student, prestige is composed by learned Brahmans. It means कि prestige contain details that may not be literally true, student, but they tell us how rulers wanted to depict and themselves, like example as valiant victorious warrior, for example student, and these were composed by student learned Brahmans and who occasionally helped in the administration. Student, जब ये लिखते थे तो किंग्स इनको एक तरीके से गिफ्ट्स रिवार्डेड देते थे. तो किंग्स रिवार्डेड like Brahmans by grants of land, and they were recorded on copper plates which were given to those who received the land. Okay, now see the copper. Student, now warfare for wealth. Student ki one of the best example for Samanta's story. I am already discussed the lecture 1. So as you know that ki same parts of ruler also same stories for Samantha, just like ki ruler also tried to demonstration their power and resources by building and large temple, and because when they attack one another kingdoms, जब भी उनको किसी kingdoms में attack करना, they often choose to target the firstly temples, and which were sometimes extremely rich, and now power increases. And next ki sultan. This word is sultan, student, is an Arabic terms meaning of ruler. So one of the best example known as the such rulers in sultan, and Sultan Mahmud of Ghazni and Afghanistan ruled from 997 to 1030 ruled and extended control over parts of इनका control था Central Asia, Iran and the northwestern part of the subcontinent, subcontinent, and mainly he raided the subcontinent almost every year. His target were wealthy temples इंक्लूडिंग डैट्स ऑफ सोमनाथ. मेनली इनका ऐसे तो वो सभी जगह टारगेट करते थे और सभी जगह वो अटैक करते थे, लेकिन मेन उनका जो टारगेट था सुल्तान का वो कहाँ था? सोमनाथ मंदिर. तो सोमनाथ टेम्पल इज गुजरात. तो हिज टारगेट वेयर वेल्दी टेम्पल्स और रिच टेम्पल थी सोमनाथ गुजरात. तो मेन टारगेट इज द सोमनाथ. ओके, and now next he trusted a scholar named Al Biruni to write an account of the temple he conquered, and this Arabic work was known as Kitab al-Hind. और इस तरीके से वो अपने एक किताब लिखवाया उन्होंने जिस पे वो कंक्यूट करते थे. तो उनको एक इंटरेस्टेड था कि वो कैसे थे क्या, तो उनके बारे में वो लिखाते थे. तो मच ऑफ द जब स्टूडेंट मोहम्मद कैरिड अवे वॉज यूज टू क्रिएट अ स्प्लेंडेड कैपिटल सिटी एट, आपको पता है कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ गजनी, नाम सिटी का क्या था? गजनी. तो ही वॉज इंटरेस्टेड कि जब वो कंक्यूट कर लेते थे तो ही वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन फाइंडिंग आउट मोर अबाउट द पीपल ही कंक्यूट एंड इंटरेस्टेड कि इनके ये क्या थे, इनके बारे में फाइंड आउट करते थे स्टोरी. तो स्कॉलर नेम इज़ द एल्बुर्नी. किताब का जो इन्होंने मतलब नाम लिखा किताब अल हिंद. तो टू राइट एन अकाउंट ऑफ द सब कॉन्टिनेंट, द अरेबिक वर्क नोन एज द किताब अल हिंद. एंड मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स स्टूडेंट की सोर्स फॉर हिस्टोरियन ही कंसिडर्ड द संस्कृत स्कॉलर. मेन जिससे लिखवाते थे वो संस्कृत स्कॉलर से टू प्रिपेयर दिस अकाउंट. ओके, संस्कृत स्कॉलर. नाउ नेक्स्ट warfare for wealth. Student, other kings who engage in warfare include the Chahamanas and लेटर नोन एज द चौहान्स, इनको चौहान्स भी कहा जाता था, और चाहमानस को, तो हु रूल ओवर द रीजन अराउंड दिल्ली एंड अजमेर, एंड दे अटेम्प्टेड टू एक्सपैंड देयर कंट्रोल टू द वेस्ट एंड द ईस्ट वेयर दे वर अपोज, उन्होंने अपोज किया बाय द चालुकास ऑफ गुजरात एंड द खांडावालस of western UP, Uttar Pradesh student, and the best known Chahamana ruler was Prithviraj III. Okay, Prithviraj III, and 1168 and 1192, and defeated to Sultan Muhammad Ghori in 1981 but lost to him in 1992. So now Chola's story, you can see that firstly my student map. Cholas see in this map south portion, see, and firstly you say ki how did the Cholas rise to power. So Cholas were from a small family of Udyar and a minor chiefly family known as the Muttayar, and held the power in the Kaveri Delta. So they were subordinate to the Pallavas and kings of Kanchipuram, and Vijayala, who belonged to the Asian chiefly family, to the Cholas from a Orair. तो जब जैसे से ये आगे बढ़ रहे थे और कैप्चर्ड द डेल्टा फ्रॉम द मुत्यार इन द मिडल ऑफ 9th सेंचुरी, और इन्होंने कैप्चर कर लिया विजयालन. तो ही बिल्ड द टाउन ऑफ तंजवरम एंड टेम्पल ऑफ गुडनेस एंड निशुम्बस्तनी देयर. तो नाउ नेक्स्ट आई एम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द पार्ट ऑफ चोलास की minor chiefly family known as the Muttayar and held power of Kaveri Delta and subordinate to the Pallavas king of Kanchipuram. So Vijayala is captured the Muttayar 9th century. Now next, you know that the student ki the successor of Vijayala has conquered the neighboring regions and the kingdoms grew and size and power. So the Pandyan and Pallava territory to the south and north were made parts of the kingdom also. Okay, उनको भी इन्होंने ले लिया. और फिर राजा राज जो थे फर्स्ट कंसिडर द मोस्ट पावरफुल चोला ruler become king of in 985, expanded the control over most of the areas, student, most, and he also recognized the administration of these areas, and firstly of the empire of Raj son is Rajendra first continued his policies and even the raided the Anga Valley and Sri Lanka and country Southeast Asia, developing navy for their expanded, और इस तरीके से उन्होंने भी expand किया. Now see, Cholas were big temple of builders, two famous temple, students, see in this picture. Next, Chola temple was not only a place of worship, वहाँ पे worship के साथ साथ here in this temple we can see that कि many peoples who are engaged in many other works, activities which associated with this Chola temple, just like sweepers. Have seen that the Brahmans, you know that कि often receive the land grant which was called the Brahmadya. So each Brahmadya was looked after by an assembly or sabha and prominent Brahman and landholders, and these assembly were very efficiently, their decision were recorded in detail inscription. See in this picture, student, often on the stone walls of temple, उसमें लिखवाते थे और रिकॉर्ड कर रखते थे, और इनका ये डिसीजन था. तो नाउ स्टूडेंट की यू नो डैट कि स्प्लेंडेड जो टेम्पल्स एंड ब्रोनेज स्कल्पचर ऑल्सो कि द बिग टेम्पल ऑफ, जैसे आपने देखा कि तांजवर की एंड गंगईकोंडा, तो बिल्ड बाय राजा राज एंड राजेंद्र are architectural and sculpture marvels, and Chola temples often become the nuclei of settlements which grew around them, and because there was center of craft production, you can see that I am already this picture, and see, and temples were also endowed with land by rulers as well by others, and the produce of the land also, and went to maintain all the specialists who worked at the temple, and very often live near it, just like cooks, sweepers, and musicians, dancer, etc. And in just In other words कि firstly कि temples were not only places of worship student, they were hub. वहाँ जस्ट लाइक एक हब है और उसमें एक हब जब सब कुछ वहाँ है तो जस्ट इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल एंड कल्चरल लाइफ एज वेल गुड. तो अमंगस द क्राफ्ट एसोसिएशन विद टेम्पल, जब वो इस तरीके से जो मेकिंग करते थे ब्रॉन्ज इमेज बनाना, एंड वॉज द मोस्ट डिस्ट्रक्टिव ऑफ चोला ब्रॉन्ज इमेजेस आर कंसिडर्ड अमंग द फाइनेस्ट. और उन जो वहाँ बहुत फाइनेस्ट ब्रॉन्ज रहती थी और जस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. ओके, ये मेन इंपॉर्टेंट स्टूडेंट, चोला ब्रॉन्ज images are considered among the finest in the world. So while most images were the deities and sometime images were made of devotees also as well. Okay, now let's see the types of lands, category, many types of lands student. Thank you student.